This one's for my father. I hope they don't work him to his grave. And no, this one's for my mother, for keeping me fed every day. And no, this one's for my brother, so that they never make him their slave. And no, this one's for my sister, that she might find someone to love her in the right way. I ain't got no reason left to be afraid. No, I ain't got no reason left to be afraid. I ain't got no reason left to be afraid. This one's for my father, and for that crazy look in his eye. And no, this one